Kennedy, you need to ask more questions.
It's not something to eat.
It is. Lucy told you it is something
something
to eat.
Is it? It's really hard to try to think what it is.
Would you like to give her a hint, Lucy?
Yes. They're right to the bite of it. It shows the picture of that. What is it?
What other hint can you give her?
It's yellow. Don't look at it. Here, close your eyes so I can help you.
What
Okay?
other hint can you give her?
Your eyes. It's okay. You can just leave it down. Okay, what is it? Don't look at it. Don't look at it, Kennedy. What is it? I don't know. We have to guess. Is it coin? Cord? Is it cord? Yeah, I say coin. Okay. It's not cord. What is it? Guess.
Could you give her another clue? Like, is it warm or is it cold?
It's cold. No?
It is.
It's not. Ice cream? That is. That's not. That is. That's not. Oh, Kenny's looking at the picture.
It is ice cream.
No, it's not. It's a lollipop.
No, it's ice cream. It's a popsicle.
Possible. Don't jump. I gotta jump. Lily! Lily! No.
Lily?
Lucy, I keep falling off. You're jumping. You're jumping fast.
Vivian? Vivi?
Wash the germs away. This will be good, won't it? Did you use up all yours already?
Yeah.
How many do you have, Kennedy?
Yep. A few more?
Lucy, how many do you have?
You count them softly. And you can.
Lucy, how many do you have?
1,
Oh, did you drop one?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
Good.
Daddy,
All right.
9.
Here we go.
Oh, I only have 10. I only have 10. I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 too! Oh, I think I missed one.
I think you
You
forgot
only
7.
have one.